Hello everybody, I'm Ben from Nova Music Center, and today we're checking out the Johnson JG-620. This is the Sunburst model. They also make a natural version of it as well. But this is pretty much a beginner instrument here. It's a budget instrument around like $170 to $180 depending on where you get it. But it's a good sounding budget instrument for sure. Now it's just a straightforward dreadnought guitar, so it's got that oomph, the extra bass in there that you get from having this bigger body. This one does not have a pickup in it, it's just straight acoustic. So I'm just going to go through it, play some stuff, and let you hear what it sounds like. Thank you so much for clicking on the video and checking it out today. If you liked the video, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe, comment, share. And if you're ever in our area, come check us out. We're in Old Town Manassas in the state of Virginia. Have a good one.